Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the various conversions in case of ideal gas. So in front of us we have the PPMV, which is nothing but it's called part per million, and this is the standard definition of a gas, and this is same as the term which is ppm, and we all know what is ppm. Ppm is 1 parts per million for 1 gram sample, that is 1 microgram, or you can say 0.001 milligram. Now how do we convert? For example, if we have a ppm to milligrams per liter, so what do we do? First we have to divide this portion ppm by the solute density, that is expressed in kilograms per meter cube, and then we would multiply the result from the step 1 by 1000. So this way we will be attaining the conversion from 1 ppm to 1 milligram per liter, and this conversion is basically at standard temperature and pressure. In front of us you can see that these are the unit of gases. For gases, ppmv can be converted to milligram per meter cube, and 1 ppmv is equal to the one volume of the gaseous pollutant, okay, that occupies upon the 1 million volume of the air. And for the ideal gas law, we all know that PV is equal to nRT, where P is the pressure and V is the volume and N is the number of moles, and R is the we call the gas constant, and T is the temperature, that is in Kelvin. So at 0 degrees C, that is 373.15 Kelvin, and 1 atmosphere pressure, this is a standard temperature and pressure, that is STP, and 1 mole of the gas occupies 22.4 liters, or you can say in the form of meter cube, that is 22.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters of cube. Now here we have one of the exercise. For example, we have to express the following situation in terms of air pollution concentration. So we have the 5 milligram of carbon monoxide, that is in the 3 by 3 meter, you can say 27 meter cubes of the room, and then 10 milligrams of the ozone in the 1000 cubic meter of the warehouse. So this is the volume of the house. Okay, now for solving this, okay, this is my solution here. So the first case, you can see the 500 milligram of carbon monoxide is, and it's enclosed in 27 meter cubes of the room, so it would be the total mass upon the volume of the room, which is equal to 18.52 milligrams per meter cube. In the second case, it is 1000 cubic meters of the warehouse, so it is 10 milligram of the upon 1000, so it is 0.01 milligram per meter cube. If you convert that, so we have to multiply by the 1000, it's 10 microgram per meter cube. Now we have the another theory, which is 1 ppmv is equal to 1 milligram upon the meter cube of the air, and we can also say 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter in the water. Okay, now these are the at 25 degrees C, 1 and 1 atmosphere, meter gram per meter cube is equal to parts per million. Okay, ppmv into molecular weight upon 24.465, which is at standard temperature and pressure. Suppose you want to find out the microgram per meter cube, so you would use here ppmv into 1000 up into molecular weight upon 24.465. Now at temperature and pressure, it would be ppmv into molecular weight into the temperature in this one, I mean T1 upon T2, so it is 273.15 Kelvin upon T into P upon 1 atmosphere pressure, and then this will be divided by the volume of the gas occupied at STP. Now we have a simple problem. You can see that the US air quality standard for carbon monoxide based on an 8-hour mega measurement is 9 ppmv. So we have to express this standard as a percent by volume as well as at 1 atmosphere and pressure. So for this one, okay, for the first part, we have the milligram per meter cube is equal to ppmv into molecular weight upon 24.465, which is our standard temperature and pressure. So you can see that the milligram per meter cube represents 1/1000th of a gram per cubic meter of the air, and while microgram per meter cube stands for 1 millionth of a gram per cubic meter of the air, and 1 ppmv is equal to 1 volume of the gaseous pollutant upon the 1 million volumes of the air. We saw that. Now using the formula above, So this is, we will substitute the value. So on substituting the value, it is 10.3 meter gram per meter cube, or in the form of microgram per meter cube, it is 10.3 into 1000. Okay, so this was all about the the conversions. So don't forget to like and subscribe.